Christmas Eve, let's make a cocktail, right? So I got a ton of requests for a holiday cocktail, the White Russian, right? But I have a confession, you guys. I have a bottle of Kahlua, right? And I've tried it, and it's simple. It's right here on the back. Kahlua, vodka, 1 part heavy cream, equal parts. I can't make them. They're not good. I've tried it with half and half instead of heavy cream. I've tried adding cinnamon. So I don't know. I can't make a good White Russian. I've had White Russians that I like in the past. I just don't make a good one. So if you guys can help me out, I'd appreciate it. Another request I got, Raylan, thank you, said he wants a gin drink. I like it. Karina's got a gin drink that she likes. It's a French 75. So it's gin, lemon juice, champagne, little sweetener. It's bubbly, it's festive. I'm going to make 2. I'm going to make an original one, and then we'll make a kind of holiday variant. It'll be fun. Okay, gin. We'll hit you with the bottle director, Reeds. Gotta watch out. Okay, so here we go. We'll do 1.5 ounces of gin. So I gotta do that, making 2 drinks. That's 1.5 ounces in each mixer here. All right, in you go. Got our gin. Okay. Okay. Let's get a lemon juice. Let's get some lemon juice in there. Easy, Tom. We'll get a Juicy Boy going. No Juicy Boy in last week's video. I hope you guys didn't miss it too much. So here we go. Let's get some lemon juice going in there, Juicy Boy. Oh! That literally just sprayed. If you didn't see that on camera, that got Karina way over there. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle. Well, half of the juice from that lemon shot across the room. So let me juice this one as well.
Good thing I have my glasses on.
Oh, good, yeah. Good thing windshield's over here is all set. All right, I got to clean up my mess a little bit. Good grief, you guys. All right. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice in each drink, not sprayed on the crowd. Okay, so 3/4 ounce of lemon. Bring it together, Director Reens. Got to make the rest of this video. Okay, here's where we're going to do our holiday variant, right? So for just a regular one, I'm going to do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Just a nice little 1/2 ounce of it. Boop. Okay, 1/2 ounce for the regular one. For our holiday variant, I wanted to make, I see all these like cocktail people making like their own simple syrups. So I made a cranberry ginger syrup. Except the first time I tried it, I made a cranberry ginger jam. It just solidified. So it would have been good on toast, but not good in a drink. So shout out to Jan, Karina's mom. She sent us the recipe on how to do it correctly. So I've got, long story short, I got a cranberry ginger syrup. I'm going to do same thing, just 1/2 ounce of that. Okay. All right. So now we're going to shake them. Director Reens, I'm going to need your assistance here. My ice keeps freezing in the glass here. Whoa!
Oh.
So we're going to send some of this ice over here. If I worked at a bar, I wouldn't be fingering your ice like this, but, you know, it's okay. So Karina, that's for you. Shake that up, please. I'm going to shake this one. Come on.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so I am going to double strain these so I don't get any ice chips in them. So it's just nice and smooth. Okay. Where is my hand strainer? Here it is. Okay.
Oh, pretty.
So that one's, there's our cranberry ginger. Okay, cool. And then we'll do the original. Just always making a mess.
Oh.
Making such a mess tonight. Good grief. We're gonna have to re-clean for Christmas. Okay, so now we're gonna top it with champagne. I got these mini bottles because if I get a full bottle, then I drink a full bottle. Just putting caps on champagne now, I guess. Okay, so we'll just top them with champagne. Be careful with the bubbles. Okay, that's good. For our holiday one, let's just throw some cranberries in there. Hello, my little friends.
Okay, that's good.
Little Christmas friends, okay? And then the other one, we'll do just a lemon peel. I don't really like doing this on cut fruit, but there it goes. Flies across the room. Drop it in. There we go. Holiday French 75s. I think Karina, you want the cranberry ginger or do you want the regular one?
Thanks.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. I appreciate you so much.